Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going for the grocery shopping. It's already kind of like midnight, no matter the mall is open, so show you like what I buy for grocery in a week or a month, and I'll show you the prices, like how much I spend these days as I move to my new apartment. So I spend more on groceries because I mean, you know, I'm renting an expensive apartment. It's not feasible anymore to eat out like before. Show you the prices as well. I mean, so just stay tuned. You know who is with me, right? My best friend. I will cut that. I'm kind of scared if the security will tell me not to film inside, but it's my right to film. So let's take this. Oh my god. Dziękuję bardzo. No, it's okay. So guys, actually to unlock this trolley we need the coin, right? But we didn't have the coin. I talked to the security guy and he was nice enough to, you know, just do it for me. People here are like really helpful, like in Poland, you know what I mean? So we are in the alcohol section. So you want something? What is this? Chateri Pori Roku Peach. So guys, there's something wrong with this trolley. So guys, Halloween is coming, so they have this kind of decoration. So this looks cool.
Do you want spider? Oh my god, let's take this one.
Nah, I'm not buying this. I'm scared of insects, okay? Yes. So guys, in this section they have all this because Halloween is coming, and here in Poland people really celebrate Halloween because it's like a Christian thing. They look nice. And this will be the thumbnail, okay? How does that look?
Oh my god, this is so scary.
So guys, here also you can buy pens, but today we are here for groceries, but I'm just trying to show you what are the things you can have in the supermarket.
Oh my god, I want this one. But you have to grade everything.
Stylo gel, you see?
I need some gel.
Just it loaded. So guys, the thing about this supermarket is not actually a supermarket, it's a hypermarket that is so huge that you can get distracted like very easily because they have a lot of things you can see. What is all this?
Fruit cake.
Decorations, right? I'll take this. So guys, I'm taking this flour from making some Indian bread. I mean, actually with this flour you cannot really make the Indian, like, you know, type bread, but it's something very close to like what, like how we make chapatis. So I want sugar. Okay. So now we have sugar, we have... Nah, I'm good. I don't like pineapple. So guys, in this section they have all this like cornflakes which you can eat in breakfast, right? I'll take this one. I mean, there was a time I used to love peanut butter, but not anymore. Not anymore. But yeah, it's actually nice. You can take some peanut butter, some bread, make some toast in the morning. I don't like honey. It's honey, right?
And red hot
chili? That's weird, like honey with chili.
And this one is with garlic as well.
I don't know, it's kind of weird. So guys, this is basically honey with garlic and honey with hot chili, and it's for 12 zloty, so it's like 200 Indian rupees. So guys, we are in the tea section. You want this Yunnan Chinese tea?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
Chinese products doesn't last long.
But you can buy this
right?
saga, right?
Right? Chinese products doesn't last long. Right?
हाँ भाई, तो भाभी जी को पता है China में माल टिकता नहीं है ज़्यादा. So Chinese product doesn't last long. I mean, this is just a joke. Don't take it offense. So you need some black tea, some British. What is British breakfast tea?
You don't know?
How would I know? I can take some tea from Assam. But you know, the thing is, like, most of the teas here are with the tea bags, and I'm looking for something like in India we get this like loose packet, the granules, tetle. Just different kinds of tea, like tea with malina. Malina is strawberry, right?
No.
But I think you guys remember I said in one vlog I don't like Malina, I like Paulina. So right, I know she's watching this. Guys, the thing is that here so many different kinds of tea that I'm confused between like which one to buy. Like Indian tea with the British packing, and it's all from UK, and you can see there's a British, I don't know, soldier is kind of exploring some village. It's kind of weird, right? It's from Sri Lanka. It's Madras Charna Harbata Indiska.
Okay.
It means like Madras black tea from India. Also guys, look what I found. Coffee beans from India. It's kind of nice, look. If you guys are wondering what are the prices of these products here, so I've actually made a vlog of the supermarket, so you can check that out, and then you can find all the price of all the products they have here. You know, it's kind of actually weird. I always thought that I'm a coffee kind of person, but these days when I moved to my apartment, I'm drinking more like tea than coffee. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but yeah. I mean, if you want some chocolates, I'll buy you, don't worry. I'll buy you all the chocolates they have. Look at this Kinder. It's like almost half of your size. Right? This Red Sport is from Germany. Yeah, I'll take this one. Oh my god, this will be good. You wanna try this? It's like Red Sport.
Have more there's more flavors.
But I want to try this one with cashew. Oh, they have cashew, right? No, it's hazelnut. This cashew. This will be good. I'll take two actually. I love cashew. Like, kaju is my favorite. I remember when I was a kid, I used to eat a lot of kajus. Maybe I'll take 4. So guys, I'm taking these 4 chocolates because it's kaju. This is the most famous Polish chocolate they have here in Poland. Look, how many? So these are the classic ones. Maybe I'll take some of this.
I think you are taking stuff that we don't really need, right?
So guys, I'm taking like, I don't know how many, 10, 12 chocolates because this is classic like Prince Polo. I love that. I love Polish chocolate. Krakusiki. Krakusiki. It's from Krakow, right? From Krakow, you can see the market square.
Yes.
I'm taking one of this. I'm taking one of these cookies. It's kind of very healthy for morning breakfast. Until now we have this for chocolate and sweet things. So now let's go to another section. Now each like of all of chips. It's okay, let's go. Okay, until now I have bought this Doritos sour chili hot corn. So guys, right now we are in this section of candies and we have already like bought like 2-3 packs of chips. So the thing about coming to this kind of supermarket is that sometimes, okay, let the trolley flow. Sometimes we buy things which you don't actually need because you see a lot of stuff. But yeah, it's actually cheaper than other like normal supermarkets. So what is this?
Soya.
You like it? Yeah. You like soya chunks, right? So guys, we bought this, I don't know how to say it, like lentils, chane ka dal. Guys, we also bought this dal, I don't know how to say this in Hindi, like lentils. Yes. In this section they have all different kinds of like oil and ketchup. So what oil do we need? This one? Is all of them is like 1 liters, right? And here they all have all these ketchups. But we have already ketchup, so I think it's too big.
Nah, it will be fine.
Really?
Yeah.
3 liters for 20 zloty and 1 liter is 6 zloty. So it's like there's no benefit in taking big one. So guys, we are taking this 1 liter of oil. Because the thing is like if we'll have a lot of oil, then maybe we'll use a lot of oil and it's not good for your health. Guys, matlab ladkiyon ke saath nahi hai, they'll always be confused. What is that? Okay, so we are taking one of this vinegar. So guys, these are all different kinds of like sauce and ketchup, curry sauce.
Indian mango sauce?
Indian mango sauce? No. In India we don't have mango sauce. No. This is some fake news. It's a hoax. I find like really hard in Poland to get some like chili sauce. They have all this like small like kind of spices. It's like Himalayan salt. I was watching a video about this Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt comes from Pakistan actually. I'm not sure if it's like real or fake because I heard in the video that there's also a lot of like fake market of this Himalayan salt. Like किसी ने मतलब नमक यहीं पे गिरा दिया shelf पे. So guys, here they have this canned tomatoes and it's like some of them are like chopped, some of them are like big chunks of tomatoes. So you're taking 4. You can take more if you want. How many? We already have like 8, right?
Right.
Okay, so we took like, okay, there are all the spices here. So we need something from here. Spices maybe we can buy from Indian store, right? Because it's very hard to find this chili. Every time I buy it's like paprika.
We can buy in Indian store.
But the chili will be same. We just bought this 5 packet of rice. Just look at how it is. We're going to have. Guys, मतलब भाभी जी नाराज हो गई? अब इनका पीछे करिए. This is a green peas, right? Where are the chickpeas? भाई छोले मिलते हैं यहाँ पे, आपको दिखाएंगे अभी, सब सारा दिखाएंगे भाई. ये तो भाई वो है, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? भुट्टा है भाई, भुट्टा, corn. 2 cans of chickpeas, like chole. 2 cans of rajma.
I might take 2 more.
2 more, okay, nice. Look at the grocery guys. In this section they have all this like rajma and basically canned products like peas, chickpeas, green peas. So how much you are taking?
Good luck.
So guys, she likes rajma a lot. So she's planning to come over and cook all the rajma for me, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? No, I'm good. What is this? No, I'm not gonna pay for this. I think we took a lot of cans. Just look at all the cans we have in here. Guys, the thing about going for this kind of grocery shopping is it's kind of very exhausting because you have to walk a lot and then look at a lot of products, and it's just not a thing for me. Sometimes, you know, I just prefer buying online because it's like more easy. And just look what I found. So guys, in this section they have all this like kind of paste of tikka masala, butter chicken, korma, tandoori, balti, So you can see, you can also find some Indian products, also like mango chutney, like really. Also like hot curry spice paste. So guys, we are taking this hot curry paste, butter chicken, and I don't know what this is, some soya sauce. So guys, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सारा ही ले लेंगे आज, जितना hot curry paste लेंगे बाद में. So I took 2 more. So we have now like 4 hot curry paste. How to put this chow mein sauce?
When you fry it, you just put it.
2 of this
This is too much.
chow mein paste, 1 of this extra hot chili sauce from Thailand. So guys, it feels like we have bought already a lot of stuff. I mean, just look at all the food we have in here. Like, I think after buying 500 roti ka bill ban jayega. Guys, I'm taking one of this Tabasco sauce.
Do we need
So guys, finally after buying all this, we came into the section of fruits and vegetables. And just look at all the kinds of potatoes they have. And this section is only for potatoes. So guys, I think I'm gonna buy this one. It's for 2 kilograms for 4 zlotys. Let me tell you, potatoes are really cheap in Poland, like really cheap. I just took like 1 pack of onions. What did you buy? What is this? For some salad. These are the red onions which we use in India, but in Poland, like, it's more common to use this white onions, garlic. So here they have all this section of like cheese, halloumi, then you can take it. Different varieties of cheese they have. Like in Poland, like, you know, just in Europe in general, like the cheese culture is like really crazy. In India, I'm pretty sure we cannot find all these different like brands and types of cheese. It's all from different countries actually.
I don't know, but this is very expensive.
So guys, this is the kind of cheese we have in India, like the paneer. I think I'll take like, how many? 4? The Capri cheese.
But no, but this cheese, you think it's good?
It's paneer, I'm telling you. Guys, right now this like trolley got so heavy because of all these jars and cans. That's kind of hard to move. Guys, here they have all these different kind of like frozen vegetables. They can also have mango, right? This mango? Mm-hmm. No, it's pumpkin.
Yeah, no, it's pumpkin.
Yeah, looks like mango. Maybe you can take this cauliflower. You like it? The gobi, you know? More?
We make aloo gobi, right?
Yes. Bhabhi ji tak जानते हैं आलू गोभी खिलाएंगे Bhabhi ji. So guys, I think we are planning to cook aloo gobi, and if you don't know aloo gobi, then Google it. They really have a lot of stuff. I guess we need to hurry up because in less than 1 hour they're going to close the shop, and we also have to go to the billing counter for all this. In less than 1 hour it closes at 10. We should hurry up. So the more percentage of fat, the more expensive it is. Right? So I think yeah, we're getting like 2 butter. Maslow means butter. Section of water, but kind of person who doesn't like buying water. So maybe we can check out some energy drinks they have. What is this? Pitbull?
Acai.
You try this?
No.
I'll take this. Also, they have a lot of different types of energy drink. I feel like even the Red Bull is cheaper. It usually is like 5 zloty something, right? And the normal.
This is blueberry flavor.
I mean, the thing about this store is like if you buy things in bulk, it's like cheap. But if you just buy like one single piece, then it doesn't really like matter that much to come this far. So guys, let me tell you, this store is called Ocean. It's like a hyper supermarket, and it's very far from the city. Look at this whiskey, Brazil. You needed 3 tomatoes. Here you are. You have 3 tomatoes. So guys, we took one of the kitchen paper. I think now we are good, guys. Let's go. So guys, finally we are in the paying counter. Guys, we were really thinking like how much time it will take for the girl to bill all this. How much time do you think it will take for her to? It will take some time. I mean, yeah, she has experience, but you'll see like how much. We took 5 of this kind of plastic bags and 1 of this kind of like strong wood ones. So I can have. We are done with the shopping and all our products, and we have it's like 5-6 bags, and this is our bill. So just look how long the bill is. So the total price of all these products is 446 zlotys, 9 groceries. Something like 8,000, 9,000 Indian rupees. If you are coming to Poland, so let me tell you, like, this is how much money you're gonna spend on your groceries for every month. I'm pretty sure this will last me a month for sure. Ab video yahin khatam karte hain. I really hope you got something out of this video. I really hope you got information or whatever knowledge. So this is the exact amount of money you're gonna spend if you are coming to Poland and buying some groceries and cooking the food at your home. So you need at least 400-500 zlotys, which is like 8 to 10,000 Indian rupees. So that's pretty much for the video. I really hope you got something out of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this grocery shopping vlog for whatever reason. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Love from Poland, peace. Bhai subscribe kar dena, dukh hoda hai, theek hai? Subscribe, peace. See you.